have we got going on here, Kaden?
Sprinkle winkle.
And this would be our snack for this afternoon?
Mm-hmm.
And what is our snack for this afternoon?
It's called apple peanut butter sprinkle.
Yummy. All right.
They're gonna be yummy. Yummy gummy.
I can't wait. Looking forward to my
New snack.
apple peanut butter sprinkle snack. Thank you, Kaden.
I'm gonna try mine. You try yours.
Okay, you try yours first. Tell me what you think. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Later, dude.